Here are all the ingredients I'm using to make Nashville hot fried chicken. I season my chicken off camera and I use salt, accent seasoning, pepper, pork butt seasoning, Creole seasoning. This chicken is being seasoned overnight so all the seasons can go through and the chicken be ready to fry tomorrow. To make the marinade, first I'm using 1 cup of buttermilk, add 1 egg, 1/4 cup of pickle juice, whisk all the ingredients together. Now I add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and I use a Texas Pete hot sauce, but you can use whatever hot sauce you like. And I whisk all the ingredients together again off camera, and this is what the marinade looks like after it's done. And now I'm pouring the marinade over the chicken wings and chicken breast. And I had to add some more buttermilk to it so it can cover up all the chicken. And now I'm taking my fork and moving the chicken around so the marinade can go all the way through the chicken. And now I'm going to take the chicken and place it into the refrigerator and let it sit overnight so the marinade can go through so it can be ready for tomorrow when we fry the chicken. And now it's time to make the coating. I'm using 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Add 3 teaspoons of paprika. Add 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. And that is all the ingredients for the coating, and now it's time to mix all those ingredients together. And I'm using a fork. You can use a spoon if you want to. And now the coating is done, and you can cover it up with tinfoil or whatever you want to cover it up with, and you can just leave it out overnight outside of the refrigerator so it can be ready for tomorrow. And now it's time to make the sauce. I'm using 2 tablespoons of paprika. 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, and you can add whatever amount of salt you want. That's what I just did right now. Next, I'm adding these 2 cups of hot sauce that I got from US Wings and Deli. It's a restaurant that I got these hot sauce from, and they're so good, and add just the right amount of spice to your sauce. And like I said, you can use whatever hot sauce you want, but this is just the hot sauce I want to use. And now it's time to whisk the ingredients together. And now the sauce is done, and you can put tin foil over it or whatever you want to use to put over it, and just leave it outside the refrigerator overnight. And now it's the next day, and we're taking the chicken out the refrigerator, and it's already marinated. We're placing the marinated chicken in the flour, and we're just coating the chicken in the coating that we set aside, so we're using that as well right now. And we're just coating the chicken with the coating. And make sure the chicken is nice and coated, because we want the chicken to be nice and crunchy and have nice breading on the outside of the chicken. And now I'm placing the chicken on the pan rack. And now I'm repeating the same steps. And now we're letting our chicken sit for 10 minutes so that coating can dry and let the flour sit in, because when we bite into this chicken, we want it to have a nice crunch. The chicken has been sitting for 10 minutes now, and now it's time to fry the chicken. I put the vegetable oil in the pan, and now it's time to fry the chicken. And now the chicken is cooking. And also I'm just flipping the chicken over, so making sure every chicken is nice and brown. And now I'm placing the chicken into this dish to drain out the grease. And now I am continuing to fry more chicken. I am still frying more chicken. And make sure you save the oil that you cooked in so you can put it into the sauce. And now I'm taking that sauce that we made and adding the oil that we used to cook the chicken in and mixing it together into the sauce. And also remember to just use the amount of oil that you want to use. That's what I did, to your tasting. You don't have to use all the oil that you use to cook the chicken in, just use the amount that you want to your tasting. And I just added some lemon juice to cut the spice down a little bit. And this is what the chicken looks like after it's finished frying. And look how nice and brown and golden that chicken looks. And now it's time to glaze the chicken. And also I cooked some cornbread and I cooked some black-eyed peas to go along with the Nashville hot fried chicken. And this is what the Nashville hot fried chicken looks like after it's done. It's nice and crunchy and golden brown and have our hot sauce on there and it's ready to enjoy. Ready? Okay. That's just so good. Okay, this is so great for any Sunday dinner. Or anytime you want, to have this chicken for your dinner. It's just so great. Or anytime you want to, because I'm just so happy about this chicken. It's so delicious. And I definitely recommend trying this chicken. Big thumbs up. And I also got the cornbread. Buttermilk cornbread is so good with this. And of course pickle. I love pickles. So good. Okay, so that is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed seeing me making this Nashville hot chicken. It was so delicious, and if you make this, Nashville hot chicken, leave it in the comments below and let me know. And like I said, I definitely recommend it. It's so good and so delicious. Okay, so that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then turn your post notifications bell so y'all will be notified whenever I upload another video. And I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye. Love y'all.